What's up guys, it's me Psycho Micah here, back in a new video. And today's video is going to be day 10, finally in double digits, of restoring my dad's 1972 Camaro RS. Today we did a lot of cosmetic stuff, mostly in the interior, a little bit of mechanical stuff on the exterior, but you know, I should just stop talking and let's get watching. Having trouble putting it in the hole.
I wish I'd left this long.
Screwing it in now.
If I can find a hole. Giggity. Any more screws?
The length will
Okay, we're gonna tap here and tap here.
yeah, okay. Should be a tapper somewhere.
We probably should have glued this down.
Yeah.
Yes. Where'd the thing go? See, that's so much better.
Yeah. Got everything on?
Things on. Oh,
Almost.
just this.
Need that and then whatever that.
If you want to grab
Thing's
it,
called.
and do the honors, put it on. Yeah, this thing. I'm about to figure out what this is and what it is.
And then you said that the door wasn't working, like the
What?
like that thing, the handle, it wasn't opening.
Oh yeah, it's just because I think when I cut this,
Yeah.
I try to bend it in place first. I think I tweaked something, so I put a thing in there and kind of fixed it.
So your professional opinion on it?
Yeah, my professional, not professional opinion. There we go. How's it look?
Good.
Better than before?
Yeah, I could clean it up and everything. It's gonna look all nice.
Yeah.
I have that little black stain that restores all the black.
I need one of these on the other side.
Yeah.
They're $50.
You checked?
Yep, 50 bucks.
50
just
bucks
for this little
crappy thing.
square right here to put on the other side.
Oh my god. Smart guy over here wants to try to get this lock in.
Never done it before.
I don't think you. How much does this lock cost?
Not that much.
It's because it's just a lock.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it's only like $12.
Cheapest thing ever. That right there's called the big long rod.
Okay, so question is, does this go here? Yeah, it's gotta go with that.
Seems pretty easy for right now. Probably what locks it in. I know what else is going.
That's interesting.
What? You could have a little nub poking.
We're missing a piece.
Oh, right here.
No, besides that.
Oh, like inside.
All right. So, if you look at this thing,
I need to blur all of that footage.
why?
I think you know why. No, I'm not.
Like my nut's sticking out or what?
That.
Oh, well, just blur it out, whatever.
If you didn't know, he was taking some nutty camera shots one time.
We didn't know. We didn't know we had to delete it. It's not safe for YouTube.
I think that's all we could say without getting in trouble.
My nut's hanging out my shorts. Give you the nut shot. No, not like that. So if you look down here, there's some holes here. Ghost, calm down. Some holes
That
here.
stuff's expensive.
So that, I think there's some kind of a bracket or something that goes here. And we don't have the bracket, we just got this stupid thing. So now I gotta hunt that down. And that's what this project has been. It's like, start fixing little things and you find out what else you need. So my $12 lock is probably now a $50 lock.
It'll be our first time starting up after all the modifications. Or
It might not start up.
hopefully it startups.
Open the back door.
Okay. More ventilation so I don't die. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, boot up, boot up. I think the battery might be dead.
I think so we flooded the carburetor a while back when we were trying to start it.
Yeah.
and the gas got inside, so that decompressed the engine. So I found a way to recompress it, but we have to take out all the spark plugs, okay, and then kind of run the engine without the spark plugs. So just turn it,
Yeah.
and then that'll get the fluid out. We're supposed to get the fluid out.
What do you like, shoot out or?
I'm not sure. I've never done this before. So, but the first thing we're gonna have to do, because all these wires, they all have to go to a certain one.
Yeah.
Right? So this one has to go back to this one. It can't go back to this one that's over here, or else it'll misfire. Okay? So we're gonna have to take some tape and mark them all. So we'll say this one's 1. If you look down here, that's 1, 2, 3, right here under the header, 4 in the back.
Then.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then we'll mark each wire. So we're gonna put tape. You know, we could even put it up here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put tape on the wire that has what it goes to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Okay.
And then on the other side, we'll just do 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Just going up like that. So on this side, this will be 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay?
Okay.
You want to do that?
Oh yeah. Sure.
Okay.
While I'm taping these up, he's trying to, can't really get it from here, but the little, I'll put a picture up on screen. There's like a little mirror thing where you can move the mirror from inside on the driver's side. He's just trying to get the bezel on. That's it right now.
It's a chrome bezel here.
Yeah.
Just gonna go through here, like that kind of. But we gotta clean this up.
Yeah.
First.
Got them all labeled up now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is kind of hard to get, but got it. Ooh, an Amazon. 5, 6, 7, and 8 too. So yeah, it's got that all done now. Just got it all sanded up now.
Yeah, just trying to figure out how this.
Yeah. That's the update. There we go. So got it all installed. So now when you move this, there we go. Mirror should move so you can adjust it to where you want it.
It's a little off. It doesn't look squared up.
Yeah, I think it's fine right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks alright.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good.
At least that thing works. It's not just hanging there anymore like it was before.
I liked it how it was before. It added more character to the car.
Random things just hanging out. Let's open this up. I'm trying to figure out how the box is going to go in here because this thing looks way smaller than the box.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. As I said, cosmetic stuff, a little bit of mechanical stuff. Next video, not really sure what we're gonna do, but probably some electrical stuff. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.